Making the unknown visible is the key for success in life sciences. Microscopes have propelled research findings in life sciences and diagnostics for several centuries. Influence the success of your next generation device with digitalization, miniaturization, and automation. Integrated digital microscopic imaging with outstanding optics and image quality enables customized process automation designed to suit the application. Now JENOPTik SYIONS supports your innovations for a better future. By bringing individual modules to life, SYIONS is a miniaturized digital microscope subsystem designed for giving your life science instrument the power to see. The electronic and software modularity provided to bring it all to life gives you the freedom to develop fewer beta versions in less time, allowing for more efficient rapid prototype testing. The pre-developed PCBA and the included software development kit allows you to test and develop diverse configurations just by downgrading. Rapid breadboard setup is easy, and you get an early and safe confirmation of feasibility. Most of the work is done. Through downgrading an over-engineered platform, rapid prototyping comes true. Stay ahead of the market and realize new market requirements faster with less hassle. See how your customized SYIONS solution could look. For example, multi-channel fluorescence microscopy with high-power LEDs and aligned filter sets for creating the perfect image. JENOPTik SYIONS allows smart integration by eliminating interface issues. There are many compelling reasons to develop your next life science application with SYIONS. SYIONS is your partner of choice for rapidly constructed, miniaturized optical engines that will fit into any instrument.